Hi friends, welcome back again. In this program, we are going to talk about file handling. So, in file handling, today we are going to see the concept of reading a specific word with a specific alphabet as its starting letter, and um, and reading that word and counting that word and showing that a number of counts in the Java program. Okay, I have created a file called vmax in the path of z colon and vmax folder, and inside that vmax folder I have created a text file called new, and inside the text file I have created a sentence here, and the thing I want to display is the number of words that have the starting letter as D in my program. Okay, so now let's see the Java program. So this is the program. So in this program we have did that file handling concept. So every file handling program will have the exception throwing concept. So here I have thrown the IO exception, that is input output exception here. So to do this file handling concept, we have to import java.io, and to import all that methods of io I have just imported as star. Okay, so here I have created a new object called file input stream f. So in that here I am going to input. Okay, so I have done this file input stream, and I have created f as an object, and as new file input stream, inside the bracket I have given the path in which I want to read. So this is the path. So this is the part in which the file that I want to read is present. Okay, so here I have initialized this count value as 0, and in this byte b array, this byte b array is used if you don't use this byte b array, the string will be taken one by one from the string will be taken one by one from that file to this Java NetBeans. So if you use this byte b array, so all the strings will be simultaneously thrown inside this inside this array, and we can use all that strings at a time. Okay, so I have used a byte b array. So f dot available, because this f is nothing but the object that I have created, and inside this object goes this path. So so the content will be stored in f dot available, means it will take all the available strings inside that, and I'm reading that and storing that in byte b. Okay, so I'm creating a new string called yes, and passing the argument as b, that is the b that have stored here that consists that contains the file that store that file that text file here. And here I am creating another array called bv. Okay, so here I'm just storing all that characters as a string file here, and s dot split is nothing but I'm storing all that string from b as yes, and I'm storing that yes in bv array, but in a different format, splitted. Okay, splitted by space. Okay, for example, let's say as this is a laptop. Okay, this is a laptop, this is a separate string, and this is a separate string, and laptop is a separate string. If you use that s dot split, then this will be taken as separately, and the space will be taken as split, and this will be taken separately, so that that counting process will be done easily. Okay, so I have separated, splitted, and I have stored that in bv array. So by using the for loop, I am searching that character. So bvi dot caret 0. So bvi is nothing but the splitted object stored in bv. So this I is nothing but the the character. So when I run the loop, it will go by character, because I have splitted separately, right? So when I run this for loop, it will check each character by character. It will each string by string it will check. So in each string, the character at 0, that is the first letter of that string, it will check whether it is a D or it's a small d or a capital D. If it is a small d or a capital D, it will just count, and finally it will print the count. So so it will check by string. So it will check string by string from that file until the file gets empty, until it will check all the available characters, all the available strings in that file, and if it cross the D star the string that is starting with the character D, it will count. So finally when you print the count, it will show how many strings that starts with the character D. Okay, let's run this program. So in this this is 1D and this is 1D. So so it says 2, because in the whole in the whole string whole line, only two strings have the starting character as D, so it prints 2. Okay, thank you friends.